Start. Okay, as you can see, the muffler's already glowing red. We're not going to go into it any further. Now, could be a couple things, but this thing's running wrong. It's got a little exhaust leak from the way we got the exhaust bolted on. We got double gasketed. We tried adjusting this, people saying it could be run too lean. I've already sprayed some carb cleaner while it's running, so that would make it run richer. Didn't help. And it's making a weird noise when it kind of starts, like a timing issue. So we're going to go after the timing flywheel key. They said the flywheel wasn't tightened down all the way. The key can get sheared, and other reasons it can get sheared. You see this thing's smoking. I only paused it for less than 2 minutes, and that thing's burning up. It'll just start shooting out flames. And if you got one of these with a plastic cover, these two bolts, and the two bolts and back. Plastic cover is just a cover, and the real steel cover is underneath. I'm going to show you what I found. I got this out. The thing has a lot of rust. And when we just loosen it up just a little bit, hit it with the hammer, and it popped off a little prying. Now, I'll show you what the camera's showing. The flywheel key's broke, like they say. There's a flywheel key there. She's broke, so we're going to replace it. Just put it on, tap it down there. As much as we can, the crank. That's it. Now we can tighten it back up and get it going.